Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to Set of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 372, technical analysis, crypto and stocks. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. Also, the things that are going to pop up here. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on Discord. Links in the description. So is the link to our Twitter. You can join us there. Again, thank you all for being here and being awesome supporters of this stream. On that note, let's move on to the technicals. Oh, what's happening with crypto? We get a pump today. Yay. Doesn't it feel weird to get a pump, right? After like a couple days of nothingness, right? It's just like, wow, excited, right? Anyways, what is happening? Hey, Jake, how's it going? Hey, Steve, how's it going, bro? You sleeping or something? I think you're catching Z's. Jake, how's it going, man? Thanks for joining me, dude. Jake, I just sent you a message on the Discord regarding the question that you asked me. And then I think I give you like some ideas there, maybe. I'm not sure how you want to go with that, but yeah, I like that idea. So, up to you, man. Right, so what's happening with crypto, right, and the world and stuff. So, right on. Well, we rejected, right? We got lower. That's fine. We came down here. This area, what was it? The 382. We talked about that going higher, right? We retested the 20, got above it, managed to close above the 50% retrace, which is good. It's the second time we get above that area. We managed to gain 2.28% of market cap, meaning that $7.49 billion came in. Today we're rejecting a little bit of that, approximately 0.17% to downside, $555.57 million going out. Again, came down, found support at that 50, rejected lower prices, which is good. Are we doing something? Not yet, right? High, lower high, positive, less positive, right here, positive, more high, higher, right? Positive, more positive, high, and there's that higher. From here, we might be doing something from back here against the RSI, and I'm just gonna highlight this one quickly. Again, we were in orange because I was charting stuff when I was off the air. From here, we might be doing something, right? Let's see, 51.73, 52.08. So yeah, very slightly higher here. We're starting to create a little bit of that hidden bearish. We could start to move down on that. Again, we do have support at that 50. Let's see what's gonna happen with market cap. Sitting neutral at 51.63 on the RSI. Bitcoin dominance at 60.04. What's happening with that? Why didn't we fix this yesterday? Didn't we go here and here? Right? Like, why is this? Like, dude, I've been saving layouts all the time. Why is this not saving, dude? It's like really getting annoying. Anyways, coming higher here on dominance, right? Again, we talked about this yesterday, man. Fuck this, man. For real. Sorry. Don't want to curse on the stream, but it's just getting really annoying that stuff's not saving. I just gotta rework everything every day. Again, going higher, coming lower again, bearish divergence. We knew dominance was probably gonna drop. It's dropping. Still managing to stay above that 20. Indecision happening. We don't know if we want to gain dominance or not. Sitting at 60.04% of market cap. The price of Bitcoin at 10,897. So we'll look at this chart. 10,890. 10,803. Sorry, 0.40. Yeah, that's fine, right? Breaking out of this triangle, we talked about waiting for confirmation, which is good. We're confirming we're outside of this area. We're confirming that we're above 10,837, which is this line here. Now we very likely touch support at 10,837 on the movement down. We're close enough that we could consider that we already touched support and we're trying to reject lower areas. It is a range, right, at around that area. We tried to go for a new rally to to $11,120. Which is good. Again, we talked about this possibility happening yesterday. And it came through, right? So high, lower, high, positive, high on the other side to your lower point. Let's see here. 54.80, 54.87, slightly higher. Again, just take this with a grain of salt because you might undo this today, right? By going slightly higher. But we're willing to get above that 11,120 for us to undo this. But, we're going slightly higher here. And here we're technically going very, very slightly higher. So again, some of that hidden bearish potential action to the downside. That's probably why we're moving down right now. Let's hope we don't get a reversal, right? An immediate reversal of what we did, which sometimes happens in crypto, right? So it's going to be a good day. We're going to be green. We're going to stay above that 10,837. Let's see how things play out for Bitcoin here. Sitting neutral at 54.14 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour, nice big green candle here. Again, we're going higher, right? More positive momentum, higher on the RSI. All things good, right? Even here, right? Short term here, going slightly higher. So nothing bearish. Moving down, consolidation starting to happen. Looks like it's upsloping. We don't want to have upsloping consolidation. Upsloping consolidation is usually bearish, and it comes with price action to the downside. So let's wait and see how this is going to play out. Again, we're starting to consolidate. Let's give it some time. It's just the third candle we're forming on this 4-hour candle chart. Sitting bought at 65.54 on the RSI. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, finding support at the bottom part also of the rising channel that we changed a couple days ago, right? So things are good here. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, what do we create here? Well, by 3 in the morning, we managed to drop slightly lower. No, are we higher or lower? Let me see. I think we might be slightly higher still. Yeah, we're slightly higher. We didn't have bullish divergence in Bitcoin. When we had this bearish divergence, we moved down. We knew we were going to move down. So we're moving down yesterday after we called this here, right? So we're moving down, trying to find support here, which was good. We managed to fight for the support, but we lost it eventually. It was fine, right? We lost below 20. We dropped a little bit. I was thinking that we're going to make divergence here, bullish, but we're not, right? Low, higher low, negative less negative low on the other side to a higher point on the other side. So you're just taking a bounce. Again, not super worried about this bounce. Again, managed to get back above and into the upsloping channel that we were in. That was fine. Other coins are developing that bullish divergence, and it could be that other coins are rallying the market, right? Not just necessarily Bitcoin. Bitcoin did manage to pump very nicely yesterday, gaining how was it? 2.42%. Let's go check out Ethereum. Wow, I got super aggressive with that. Let's go with this one. Like, some of the tracks are really good, and then some of the tracks are really weird. So I'm trying to find something nice. Let's see if this one's good. Ethereum managed to get up to the 20. Looks like we're rejecting, right? We're opening right above the 20, but we really don't know where we want to go, right? We still have 21 hours and 42 minutes to go. We're facing indecision, high, lower, high, positive, high on the other side to a lower point. So nothing happening on the daily on Ethereum. Again, floating between that 364.03 and 319.27. So let's go to the 4-hour. Neutral on the market on the other side, right? Here we had the bullish divergence. That was fine. By the time we were done with the stream here, the next 4-hour candle, we managed to drop slightly more, which was good, right? That's what we want to see happening here. So again, coming in slightly lower. And that was one of the possibilities that we mentioned, right? Going slightly lower, create that bullish divergence, and then really take that rally, right? And that is precisely what happened. And I'm happy with that. Again, look at that, right? Beautiful. Action to the upside, boom. Starting to consolidate. Not looking the best consolidation here, right? It's a little bit awkward looking right now in the 4-hour. We're going to wait and see how it's going to play out. Sitting neutral at 57.26 on the RSI. I'm going to check for something in a second. I just want to see how much we pumped. We pumped 2.75%, so it pumped very nice on Ethereum. From here to here, right? We're coming in slightly lower here, right? As you can tell. Just confirming this on all in the 4-hour. It is. Then we're going from a lower point to a higher point, right? It doesn't matter where I anchor. It could be from here. It could be from here. It's still all the same. Creating that hidden bearish divergence. We also have it against the RSI, so there's a possibility that we might get a continuation to the downside. That movement could see us hit that 20, try to find support there. We'll check it out once we get there. Andrew, how's it going? Yiffy and Uni. Sure, man, we'll look at Yiffy and Uni. Anyways, potential movement down, right? That's what we're waiting for in Ethereum right now. Maybe hit that 20, try to go for a bounce, try to go higher, right? Then create that positive momentum, maybe less positive momentum in that second bounce. Create strong bearish divergence, and then maybe move down. But right now, we're waiting for consolidation to happen. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. What happened here? High, higher, high, positive, more positive, right? Look at this here, right? This is one of the coins that I was telling you that had this strong bullish divergence, right? And that was one of the possibilities that we talked about yesterday. The movement down, create divergence, and then go for that rally. And I'll just go from here to here, and then from here to here also, right? So strong bullish divergence against the MACD, against the RSI, right? And then really going up higher. So what's going on here? We were here live, right? Or here live. We were calling for the movement down, which we did get, right? We broke below 20. We were rejecting. We talked about moving down, creating that strong bullish divergence and taking off. And that is precisely what happened, right? That is exactly the move that we were talking about yesterday. So I'm happy that this is playing out. That impulse up, that consolidation is not looking too hot right now, actually. Not liking it. It's a bit sideways, right? It's not down sloping as we usually want to see it before we actually rally again. It looks a little bit up sloping, but right now it's starting to come back down. It's just very awkward looking. Not very textbooky, right? From here to here, just very short term. This might not even play out, but I'm just going to mention because we have it, and we're going slightly higher there, and then here we're coming slightly lower. Creating a little bit bearish divergence against the MACD, but nothing against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're fine. Sitting bought at 65.02. That's it for Ethereum. I actually have some news today. Some cool news. I came out with an NFT, and someone bought 3 of my NFTs. That's pretty cool. Alright, it is this one here. Shit. Wait, let me click on it. See if I can make it larger before I show it. And then I'll show it here on the side. God, my internet's acting weird, man. I hope the stream's going out fine, because here it just looks super slow for everything I do on my screen, dude. Like, it's taking forever to load. Look at that, right? So, weird. And the music just stopped. And now it tells me that the pages are unresponsive, so I'll just wait. Apparently I'm still live, so that's what matters, right? So, anyway, Spotify ads coming in. Let's refresh this. See if I can get this to work. Work. Sorry, not that track. That track. Let's go with that track. Trying to get something here to play. If you guys like what we do, please hit that like, that button, that sub. Right. Be awesome. Those little things that are going to pop up on the screen if everything's going on right. Again, struggling a little bit with the stream. I'm not sure if I'm going live okay, so if someone can confirm whether or not I'm coming through okay, because like I'm getting like unresponsive pages on the internet, so I'm not sure if like my computer's acting up or something. But anyways, potential movement to the downside, right? Starting to recover a little bit. We might try to go higher than this previous high, right? Make it less positive momentum, and then move down on that. That's at least part of what I'm expecting to see here on Ethereum, right? That's awkward, dude. It's not opening for some reason. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to work something out here real quick. Just bear with me for a sec. Again, acting weird. Let's go check out XRP, right? What is happening with the old XRP? Getting off that 24.69, still managing to hold on to that. Bouncing off the 20, which is very good on the daily. For the third day in a row, meaning we don't want to go lower, and that is super cool, man. Sorry, guys, something showing up here. Anyways, I can show you now. This is the NFT that I made. Oh shit, it just changed. This one. Right, look, it's pretty cool. It says, in case of hyperinflation, break the glass. So it's pretty. I think it's pretty cool. I like it. There's another one coming out tonight, I guess. But I sold 3 of these pieces. Yeah, that's pretty sweet, I guess. I like that. Thanks to NFT Collector for purchasing those pieces. You're awesome, dude. I don't know you, but you're awesome, dude. NFT Collector, thanks. Right on again. Right, we had the bearishness. We did move down again. Hit that 20. Managed to hold on to that support. Going slightly higher. Again, still, we're almost at the same height, right? Here we opened at 25,217. Here we're sitting at 25,122, 25,217, 25,216. 217, 216, right? It's within like 0.00001 cents. So again, we're just going sideways again, going slightly higher. We lost whatever kind of divergence we were looking for here, right? Even though we did get the movement down, that's fine. Right now we no longer have it. It's all good there. Sitting neutral at 55.37 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour we had the bearish divergence. Here the move was slightly higher. Did we make more negative momentum? 82, 86. Yes, we did. So low to high, right? And then negative to more negative. Hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. I don't think we also have it here against the RSI. So price action to the upside. We got above that 24.69. And doing very, very good here. Neutral at 58.75, sitting at 25.20 cents, which is good for XRP right now. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what we got there, right, on the 1 hour chart. Again, we had the bearish divergence, we moved down on that, right, which is good. Low, higher low. I was expecting this move to come slightly lower, right, create that bullish divergence. We didn't create that, by the way. What is this? 33.84, 33.61, slightly lower. But we're taking that same balance that the rest of crypto did. So, you know, it's okay. All crypto's moving in sync, which is fine. Low, higher, low, positive, more positive, right? High, higher, high here. Let's see. This should come from 66 and 69, right? So slightly higher, 71. Now, from here to here, we're going slightly higher. And again, this is just going to be very, very nano, and it might not even play out here on this chart, but we're just kind of pointing it out because it's there. Again, strong bearish starting to develop, and then from here to here also, right? Look at that. Boom, 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 right? Strong bearish divergence. Sitting neutral, bought at 61.09 on the RSI. Again, moving down with potential. So you see that 20, try to test it for support. The 20 sitting at 24.885 cents. That's it for XRP. Let's go to Litecoin. Right, look at this. We just changed that to there, changed that to there, and we still have that hidden bearish potential movement to downside. Starting to go red today. Neutral at 48.99 on the RSI. Really not moving much. Actually didn't even gain that much. Just gained 1.46%. How much did XRP gain? We didn't say. Gained 1.01%. So it didn't gain as much as Ethereum or Bitcoin, right? But it managed to gain some, which is okay. On that note, let's go to the 4 hour. Again, we don't have anything here, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Lower, high, high, lower, high, positive is positive, high on the other side to lower point. Neutral at 55.69, so nothing on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look coming in higher, right? And also higher here and higher on the other side. All things good here, right? Nothing bearish. From here to here, we had, did we have something here? I can't remember if we had called something here. No, probably didn't. Look at that. Right. Look at that. From here to here, from here to here, right? Hidden bullish. Action to the upside. We moved up. That was fine. Now we're going higher. We're positive momentum higher on the other side. Things good. Higher low, hitting that 20, taking a bounce, which is okay. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher point. Neutral at 56.15. So really, we're not doing a lot right now on some of the altcoins, right? Again, we already had the move. So consolidating, right? And here, just in any case, I would just call the same thing that I called on a couple of the other coins, but it's just very small, right? Like that, and like that. Bearish divergence, action to downside, move down, hit that 20, taking a bounce. Let's go to Binance. Binance, look, yesterday came up here, touched that area, rejected, spinning top. Today going up, which is okay. Again, probably going to head for that resistance again. We haven't developed anything here. Sitting neutral at 55.61 on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, again, hidden. We had the hidden bullish, right? Tried to rally, failed, moved lower. That's fine. Here we created that strong bearish that we were also looking for yesterday, right? Boom, boom. Right. Let's check this out here, man. Then from here to here. We don't have it against the RSI. We knew it was a chance we were going to make it on the RSI, but we did have it against the MACD, which is important, and that we're getting that price action to the upside, which is very nice. The hell? Is that from the track? Yeah, it's from the track. Anyways, here in any case, we could have just changed that to there as well. And this just drag it down to here, and we still have that hidden bullish against the RSI. But against MACD, we had the strong bullish, and that we're taking that rally, hitting that 20. Look, 1, 2, 3 times, the 4th time. Managed to close above it, and then moving up right now. So that's very good for Binance. Neutral 54.29, sitting at $28.02. Let's go to the 1 hour. On that 1 hour, coming lower, right? More negative momentum, lower on the RSI, so nothing here to call. Now we're trying to go higher. What is this? 755.83, so slightly higher here. So higher, 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 right? Everything's good here. Even from here to here, we're going higher. So all things good, man. We don't have anything bearish right now to call against Binance. Sitting overbought, sorry, just bought at 65.31. Can't wait for something to happen, right? Again, hitting that 20, taking that bounce, which is good. Not a lot happened for Binance that we can trace, right? So let's go look at DVT, and then let's look at the other stuff. DVT, where are thou? Oh, snapped. It pulled back down to 3.2 sats. That's not good. The MACD out here. Let's get the RSI as well. Let's adjust this so we can have it as columns. Then make the color green, and there we go, man. Look at this, right? Same low. Right here, just sideways here. Same low. And then coming in like that, right? So type 2 bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. We also have that against the RSI. Look at that, right? Boom, boom. Beautiful. Even here we had the bullish divergence strong. So we took that pump, came back down, creating type 2 bullish divergence. Let's see if we can go for another rally. That's it for this in the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, this is a good entry level. I do believe this is a good entry level for DVT. If it just goes up to 6 again, you're already doubling your money very quickly, man. And I don't believe it's going to be at this prices for a very long time. Lower. Is it lower than this? Let's see. 2580 something, 2556, 2584. So slightly lower. Right, that's fine. Nothing here. Let's go to daily. On the daily, right? Look at this, man. Even from this island to here, right? We had the bullish divergence to there, and we had it to there. So that's fine. From here to here, it just failed to play off against the RSI. It's just coming back down slightly. Let's see where we're at here. Here we're at 29, here we are at 30. So right now we could even go from here and still go to there and still have that strong bullish, but just short term here, right? Look at this, from here to here, coming in lower and then going higher here, right? Look at that. So we have that strong bullish divergence against the MACD still, and also against the RSI. So let's see if we can get that pump to come in for DVT. Again, a good project, it should be doing good short term. Let's wait and see again. I do believe 3.2 is a good entry level. On that note, let's go over here and check out YFI. YFI. Alright, let's go YFI on the daily. You know, we're calling for bullish divergence yesterday, if you remember, right? So we're calling for action to the upside. Maybe for a rally to that 618, which is okay. Look, we came back down here. We haven't touched that support that we called, and we said, look, that support, right? Held support from back here. That's fine. We were moving back up. We were still red, I think. We're talking about the movement up, so that's fine. We had the bullish divergence. All things good on the daily. Again, not a lot we can chart still from yesterday, but again, what we had was fine. Now here, we managed to move slightly lower again. We still managed to go there. Still have that strong bullish divergence even here, I do believe, right? Look at that. From 24.15 to 25.47. So bullish divergence, action to the upside. We rejected the 21s, rejected it twice, managed to get above it finally. And right now we're rejecting the 20 for price action to the downside. So we could be trying to hold on to 20, maybe go higher, maybe again retest that 618 at 19,425. Right now sitting at 16,000. 659 buckaroos. Now high to low. Where are we at here? Dude. Not liking this. Because again, it just seems that Hidden Bearish has been playing very strong for a couple of the alts, particularly including Efi, right? So again, Hidden Bearish starting to develop here. Just watch out for that. Right, we could get it moving down. Again, trying to find support there at the 20. Let's see how Giphy manages to hold on to this. Right, look at the 1 hour, right? We're going here to 0. That's fine. I was just using this island. But if I remove this and then I look at this, let's see, 2644 and 2661. So slightly higher there, and then coming in lower, we're creating that strong bullish divergence against the RSI. Now, if you don't want to, if you want to ignore this, which you could because of one island, I'm not going to ignore it because it did help us to get that rally to reject the 20, come lower, and create that bullish divergence against the RSI. But you just go from here to here and ignore that, and still have strong bullish divergence if you just go from here to here, right? Again, against the MACD, if you ignore that, to each his own, right? Here we're starting to create bearish divergence. I don't like that. It looks like we want to try to rally. We might fail at this attempted rally and then break below that 20 on the 1 hour. But again, it's just something that we're going to talk about and mention because it's a possibility, right? Alright, all this is good. Coming from here to here again, and from here to here we don't have it. We're going slightly higher, so that's fine. We should have that bearish divergence against the MACD. So again, potential movement down maybe to a 20, right? That 20 sitting at 15,306 right now, sitting at 16,650. Again, let's wait and see how this is going to play out for Efi. That is what we have. Let's go check out Uni, because Uni also went up. The unicorn, right? The Unitard. I think Steve might have gone sleep, because he just put like a whole bunch of Z's, and then I'm not sure. Thanks, Steve, for showing up, dude. I know you haven't requested it, but you usually request ADA, and that's the only, like, I can't remember the only ones you request, but I'll do ADA because you might be asleep, so you can catch it tomorrow. What's going on here, right? Moving down, we called for that. That was fine. Low, lower, higher, low, low, higher, low. Everything was good here, right? Took a rally with the rest of crypto. That's fine, but here, creating bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside on Uni. We'll wake you up. YFB2, yeah, dude, I'll do that after ADA. Rejecting that 618 here, right? Look at that. Try to get above it. Hells no. We had divergence. Move down, right? Trying to get another go at it. We might not even touch it this time and break down again. We have strong bearish. Swing neutral at 64, 155 on the other side. Let's go on the daily. I don't think we called Uni on the daily. There's nothing on the daily, so let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, we had the bullish divergence. We had the bearish. We moved down. We talked about the fail to drop, right? We said if we fail to drop, we could be interpreted as bullish. We could try to rally, maybe get above that 20, and if we do, retest. And what do we do? Exactly that, right? Look, we failed to drop. We went on a rally. That was one of the possibilities that we discussed, so it's not like we're lying here. We managed to go higher again, rejecting that 618, right? That's fine. It's not doing anything else. It's not creating any kind of divergence here. Well, I did, that is a lie, because we do have divergence there. From here to here, right? Again, I'm just going to anchor this in the 4 hour. And then going from low to high again still, right? Like that. Boom. Look at that, right? And here also, right? Now we even have it here. Boom. Higher. So hidden bearish. Potential movement down or continuation. Stalling here. We had our resistance moving down. We have that here. We have it on the 1 hour as well, right? We have strong bearish on the 1 hour. See how this is going to handle this. We could retest this area, break down, retest it, try to get higher, create a little bit, like, we're almost making negative momentum. So if we go slightly higher, we're going to create less positive momentum, create strong bearish divergence still, and then we could break down, right? So, Andrew saying Burger Coin is up like, or Burger Coin, I'm not sure, Burger Coin, up like 19,000% is full. That's pretty cool. I don't like the food name cryptos, bro. They tend to make people get food poisoning, and then, like, you know, you have sushi stuff happening. Let's go do ADA, man, because we already did the 1 hour for this. So let's go do ADA Cardano. Right on. Let's see. Right on. Cardano, what do we do here? Low. Lower low. Yes. That was one of the possibilities that we were calling for yesterday, remember? Coming down here again. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Look at that, man. Beautiful. Beautiful support there. At the 382, right? Oh, man. That's so good, man. So if you guys played any of this, let me know how it went. Because this was one of the a couple of possibilities that we discussed. Look, even from here, right? Boom. And even from back here, right? That would be that low, right? Coming lower. Again, right? We have that. We have that. Strong bullish. Action to the upside. Boom. Took that nice rally there, man. I'm happy for this. Boom, right? Now, what are we doing here? High, higher, high, positive, high, and other side to a higher point. Here, I'm starting to not like it here, because now we're going higher, or slightly higher. As you can tell, and look at this, we're coming in lower, right? And lower on that RSI. So we're starting to create that bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. Bought at 62.63. There's a chance we could start to drop. Maybe go for that 20. That 20 sitting at 9.45 cents. Right now sitting at 9.63 cents in the price. Again, let's wait and see how this might play out for Cardano. Let's go to the daily. Again, on daily, not a lot happening, right? Support at the 20, which was good. Managed to get above this area, come down, testing support at the 50% retrace here. And we're going to see where we want to go there. But again, nothing happening. Neutral at 49.93 on the RSI, right? Yes, you managed to gain 2.63%. Let's go here on the 4 hour. Right, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, right? And then here, higher, low, less negative, higher on the RSI. That's good. High, lower, high, positive, high on the RSI. 4 nothing on the 4 hour, man. Everything here on Cardano is playing off the 1 hour. That's good. Because we were spot on the calls that we were making for the 1 hour. So I'm happy for that on Cardano. Let's go check out YFB, dude. And then after YFB, I'll do Link. Because Jake likes Link. And actually, he made a really good position in Link. So we're going to go check out what's happening with Link. Sorry, we were going to look at first at YFB. Sorry, I opened Link by accident. Let's do YFB, and then we'll come back to Link. Right on. So YFB on the daily, right? Not a lot. Starting to funnel. Tightness of volume is starting to come back in, meaning there's volatility leaving the market. The only thing that we have here, and I'm not sure we had drawn this before, but right, would be this, right? Look, we're coming in lower, and we're going much higher here, right? So hidden bullish, or sorry, strong bullish. But we're failing to take off here on the daily. So let's go to the 4 hour, or sorry, to the 4 hour. See what we got there, right? Lower, more negative, lower on the RSI. We didn't have anything bullish here. High, lower, high, positive is positive. Right, high on the RSI to lower point. Nothing bearish. Even from here, we don't have anything bearish. I'm not going to call anything bearish right now. Setting neutral at 40.28. Let's see here. It is technically lower, and this is technically higher. Yes, dude, we're going to have to call this one. I was not going to call it. I was thinking we are going to be safe when I was zoomed out. For inspection and review of the play, we can see that we do have hidden bearish divergence, potential action to downside. That's why we're rejecting the 20, right? Consistently, 1, 2, 3 times. Setting neutral at 40.28 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Sorry, there's something happening here. That's all good. Right, this is gonna be good. We had divergence, right? That was yesterday. We're here live. We called that. We said we're gonna move down. Look at this, right? Boom. Boom. Lower. Right, and that moving lower, even from here. Look at that. Beautiful. Strong bullish divergence, right? Look, even here. Against the RSI, right? We have that strong bullish divergence. For potential action the upside. Again, this wants to go in the 4 hour. Just let me clean it up real quick. Make sure it's going to be tight and nice here on the 1 hour chart. Right on. So, on that move, right, what are we doing? Getting that nice rally coming in, right? Now we're going slightly higher. Yes, we are going slightly higher, unfortunately. Here to here, right? And look at this, we're coming in lower, man. Even here, right? From here to here, we're going higher, right? From here to here, going higher. And here we're coming lower. So we had strong bearish divergence from back here, previous island. We also have strong bearish divergence within the same island. We don't have it here on the RSI on the first leg, but on the second part here, right, we also have it. So there's that bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. What do? What we expect to do after we have strong bearish divergence, which is move down, hit that 20, find support, and see where we're going to go. It looks like we're taking a bounce, which is good. Again, maybe because the rest of crypto is feeling a little bit bullish right now, because Bitcoin managed to pump yesterday. So if you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that's up, right? There's 5 people watching. We only have 1 like apparently. So hit them likes, smash them likes buttons. Oh, guys, sorry. I'm a little bit tired. For some reason, my camera is a little bit higher than it should be. I think I moved it today, but there we go. I think that'll be about it, right? Awesome. So even if I go here now, I'm not cutting myself off, because I was noticing in the video I was cutting myself off, but awesome. Right, so we're taking that potential bounce. Let's see, if we go higher than this, we're definitely going to, again, create strong bearish divergence. We might break down for that, but, you know, right now, it looks like we want to bounce. We could fail to rally, and then that would be bearish, and then we'd drop on that, right? But again, just waiting for this to, like, play out right now. That's it for YFB. Let's go check out Link. Dude, I went and bought some ribs today at the store, man. They were super cheap. They're like £4 for $10, I think. Yeah, like almost £6 for $10. I just did the conversion wrong in kilos in my head. But it's almost £6 for like $10. So that's pretty good size rack of ribs, dude. But they were like regular beef ribs, and that's gonna be really tasty this weekend, man. So again, coming in lower here, right? Link is fine because we discussed it on the stream, and I'm happy with that. So coming in lower, that's great, right? Boom, we had the bullish divergence, we took that rally, boom, went higher, right? Now we created the bearish divergence, and Jake was asking something, and I said, look, man, it's smart to take profits, right? Because if we manage to pump from here, probably gonna create bearish divergence still. To a lower area here, then we might break down. So if you took profits, it's fine. We could come down here, touch that 20, right? Fell to rally, drop, touch that 20 again, looking like YFB and the other coins, right? Very nice green, and then like this very bearish wick again, pushing us back down. So Jake, I'm happy that you took some profits, dude. Half of your profit, that's fine. Played smart, and again. Good stuff, right? The movement down could get us to 20, try to bounce there. Maybe go higher, create negative momentum, and then, bearish divergence, and then break down from that. But again, on the daily, let's go check out Link there. We're sitting at the 20 also, remember? I also pointed that out on the stream. So we're sitting at the 20, facing resistance. We don't know where we want to go. It looks like we want to go up and down. We're very on the side. Look at this, very, very small wicks. Neutral at 45.19 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we also had the bullish divergence. We don't have anything bearish, right? Oh, no, now we have something bearish. We didn't have it when I was looking at it earlier. But now we have this. Look at this, coming in lower here. And then we're coming from a high to a higher point, right? And also here. Finally, we had that. So we are creating that hidden bearish. Potential movement to the downside, right? Continuation. We could go down and hit that 20. So the bullish stuff that we had played out beautifully. Now the bearish stuff that we have is what we're waiting for just to turn around and start playing. We do have that bearish there. We also have the bearish on the 1 hour, right? So just wait for this to play out because it might not be the best. 72.90, and where are we at here? 72.58. So we also have it here now, right? Against the RSI. So bearish divergence strong on the 1 hour, and then we have the hidden one on the 4 hour. Be careful with your positions. That's gonna be it for Link. Guys, let me know if you want me to look at any other coins. While you guys do that, I'm gonna start checking out gold, silver, and the rest of the stocks and figure out what's happening with that. Where are you? Gold and silver. Here it is. To the gold. What is happening, man? Very nice movement. Getting above that 20, which is good. So you get 1,908. Again, might go for a retest of that 1,922 area. And I'm happy with what it's doing. It's not doing much. Right now, it's starting to create a little bit of hidden bearish, but it could get rid of this very quickly, right? Shake it off quickly. Apparently, it's also happening on the other side. It's just very slight here, right? Look, this is 49, this is 50, right? So the change I didn't count. I just wanted to make sure the number was different, and the main number was different, right? Look at that, strong bearish. Sorry, hidden bearish. Potential movement down. Let's wait and see how that's going to play out. For gold, let's go check out silver at 24.28. Getting here at 20, still lower, so high, lower, high, possible again. Yeah, we do have that also, right? Look at that. It's just very slight here. We can undo this very quickly. We have it right now. We just gotta wait for it to play out. But again, potential hidden bearish coming in for silver. Again, waiting for it to play out. So yeah, $24.30. Let's go check out the stocks. What happened with the Dow? Managed to gain 122 points very nicely. Are we doing something here from back here? Let's see. Nope, there's only one island high. Slightly lower. Yeah, slightly lower. High to low, right? Nothing bearish. Again, the hidden bullish still playing here. Let's go to the US 30. Here we had some bearish divergence. Right, because we had that break here. And on that note, we do have this. Sorry guys, for some reason my phone's going nuts. I'm just going to make sure there's nothing important. Again, coming in lower, sitting bought at 60 points and 5. So again, that's fine, right? Potential movement to downside on the Dow on hidden bearish, waiting for it to come into effect. S&P gaining 27 points. Again, we don't have anything happening here. Last thing we had was the strong bullish, still rallying, which is fine. London losing 24 points. Below the 20, rejected it on strong bearish divergence. We knew that was a possibility from a couple days ago. Nikkei up 224 points. Now we're definitely going higher than the previous high and coming in lower with that positive momentum. So now here we can definitely go like this on the Nikkei. Boom, 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 boom. And also here on the RSI. New NFT is ready. Let's go to Toronto. I had my brother help me out with that one as I was live here. So I'm going to post that one shortly. What am I doing? It's all coming lower, so nothing here. Toronto up 106 points, but that's fine. Last time we had was a strong bullish. Still playing off that. Let's look at oil, dude. West Texas. Low to high. Again, nothing else developing here. Slightly going higher than the previous high. Now we could try to do something here. Let's see, going higher here also and higher here. So nothing happening in West Texas. Let's go check out Brent oil. We're looking for bearish divergence here. We did manage to pump. That was fine. It's going higher also, so that's all good here, right? Nothing here, nothing here. From the previous high that we were anchoring back here again, right? We do have this break. I'm just gonna wait for it to call something on oil. Dude, that's it, dude. No request coming up, so yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this stream, dude. Super short, super sweet. Yeah. On that note, I'm gonna sign off. Thank you guys for being here again. Super short stream today. That's nothing wrong with that. Thank you all for being here again. This is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. This awesome Thursday night. I hope you're having a great time. I hope you enjoy the content that we provide here. And if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Again, super grateful for you guys to for showing up again. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.